Hey guys, I'm gonna make some homemade creamy tomato basil soup. Chop up tomatoes and some carrots and garlic and lay it all out here and roast it. But I'm gonna go ahead and bake this on 450, preheat the oven to 450. And I'll bake them for, about a half an hour, 40 minutes. I'm gonna cut them into manageable pieces. Oh, that smells good. I love that tomato smell. Ooh, look at those beautiful tomatoes. And boy, do they smell good. I'll go ahead and put some carrots in there too. Maybe just a couple of handfuls. There we go. Now some garlic. All right, now I'm gonna add my garlic. I'm just gonna cover it with garlic. Okay, now I'm just going to cover everything in a light coat of olive oil and mix it all around so it's getting all the surfaces. All right, preheat's done. After I've got it all mixed around, make sure all the surfaces are coated, I'm going to add salt and pepper all over the top. All right, we're preheated. I'm going to go ahead and throw these in there for about 35-40 minutes. Right, while the tomatoes are roasting, I'm going to go ahead and chop up the potato, some peppers, and then this onion. I'm going to saute it in there with some olive oil. After about 10 minutes of sauteing, go ahead and add this tomato paste to this. All right, there's our tomato paste. I'm just going to run it all through there. Get it all mixed up. Ooh, it's smelling good. And we'll go ahead and add some water to that too. And one more thing of water there. Ooh, look at these babies. I'm about ready to take them out in about 5 minutes. Smells good. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Now I'm gonna take this mixture and put it in the Vitamix here, in food processor, and grind it all up, right? Make it a puree, and then put it in here. And then we're also gonna do that same thing with these. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and puree this. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. We'll cool them down just a little bit, and then we're going to do the same thing with that. But I'm going to put this in here. All right, this is the start of our soup base here. If you don't get it all, that's okay, because those are going to go in there. We're going to put some water in there too. There we go. We're just going to kind of simmer that. Got around about 4 there, and then I'll take these and put them right in there. Put a glass of water in there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add this in there. I'll grab some basil. I'm going to just add a glass of water. Now we'll go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit of basil. Got that basil in there. We'll go ahead and pour in some more water. Then you just do some more salt and pepper to taste. Oh my goodness, this is good. So you can see how creamy this is, and there's no cream added to it. But this, super tasty. So I'm just gonna simmer this, and then I'm gonna get my bread ready over here. Hey, we'll just give this a little dash of lime juice too. All right, here we go. So I got all the ham and cheese sandwiches done. And I've had a couple tastes of this, and it's delicious. It's nice and creamy, and there's no cream in there. That potato and the carrots. I mean, this really tastes good. All the boiling and food processing. I didn't have to strain any of it, and so this is all, you know, everything. So really tastes good. This is a good hearty meal to cook. And then let me show you some. Right, you get some sandwiches ready. This is all on sourdough bread with some ham and Parmesan cheese. Boom. Do that with some crackers, or trying to get some proteins in, you know. So that's you know, for you guys that can't cook, I'm one of them. So I mean, I really cannot cook, and this is one I can easily make. So, and it's freaking delicious. All right, thank you for watching. I've already had some, so I'm kind of full, but I guarantee you, I mean, tell me, that's gonna be freaking great, right? Look at the colors on that, the creaminess. They're gonna love it. Make it. Thanks for watching, y'all.